all these surgical instruments and so all these tubings. So one of the things is that when you are going for a business model, many times investors or some grant people who are giving for grant, they look for how your business model is viable and what is the reasonable way that if this product is going to market, how is it going to make money? How is it going to be sustainable? How are you going to scale up? So if you have a concrete plan, how are you going to deal with all these hospitals or the government regulatory body or the distributors? So you should know what is the cost for making your device, and it should at least be 3x the cost. So if you are making a diagnostic tool for 30,000 rupees, you should at least be selling at 90,000 rupees.
At least 4 to 5 times margin should be there. Like if your cost of making a thing, including your labor, is somewhere around say 30,000, it should be somewhere pitched around 90 to 1.2, something like that.
That is 3 times the cost, so you can cover all your sales costs and other costs.
All the sales and distribution costs finally will lead you to having to have a much lesser margin definitely.
So that's why
people say that we are going to come up with a cheaper alternative. You only look at the raw material. Let me say, okay, our cost is 30,000, we will sell it for 35,000. It's not going to work. Finally, market tak reach karte karte price is 60,000 ho jayega.